Let's try some spicy cumin chicken tacos from Every Plate. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. All right, Adorner, so I was at a house sit and the family was like, we're going to be out of town. Try Every Plate. And I was like, sure. And so I was like, wow, it has all the ingredients. Pre-packaged, it had the garlic, the scallions, the cucumbers, the chicken breast, the tortillas, everything was there. And so, all right, it has all the instructions for you. So I was like, okay, let me try this out. You know, I like to cook anyway. So I heated a little olive oil in a pan, and it asked for only the white part of the scallions to be chopped up for our cucumber mixture, as well as I put a little bit of the green in there as well. We had the sour cream packet, some red Korean chili powder, chili flakes kind of thing for the spice, the sour cream, and the cucumber. Of course, we diced it up into little halves. They said to have it moon shaped. And then it had, of course, you saw it had a chicken breast, a large chicken breast, cut it up, and as well as added some spice to it. Some cumin that was in the package, some salt, some pepper, and some of those red Korean chili powder flakes. And then I added it to the pan, sauteed it up, added the rest of the green onions, and then I saved a little just to sprinkle on top of the finished product. But then, okay, so we had our chicken done, and then it called for our tortillas to be wrapped and warmed in the microwave for 30 seconds. Did that, added my spices to my chicken, and voila. All right, so now we have our tortillas and everything ready to go, heated. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and plate up my chicken with my cucumber mixture, and you'll see how it turned out. I really liked this. This was something really great. If you like Every Plate, I think if you have used it before, let me know. I think this is something really convenient for people and families, and I can see why they would use it. Anyway, I enjoyed it. It was delicious. As always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend, your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.